Ooh, that felt good. I think that was the best one so far. All right, welcome back to another video. I'm Team FPV, and today we are going to spin the wheel and see what trick we got going on this fine, beautiful day. I did want to say two things since the last video. Number one, thank you for the encouraging comments, the kind words some of y'all have said in the comments. I appreciate every single one of them, so thank you. And then the channel, we passed 100 subscribers, so to everyone who subbed, thank you. It's a big milestone. I feel like it's the first milestone for the channel, so I'm honored. Thank you. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, and yeah, let's keep it going. This is episode 17. It's episode 17. So let's spin the wheel. All right, we're doing the flat bounce rewind. No, just kidding. That's the wrong trick. We're doing the outward lock, side lock rewind. Outward side lock rewind, I think that's it. That's what it's called? Yeah. Okay, let's do it, it's fine. All right, so this trick involves a roll, and then kind of like two motions with the throttle and then with the pitch and roll after the initial roll, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna practice on this pole over here because I don't trust myself. So it's like that, and then you come back. Yeah, I practiced this in the simulator, and I had a hard time figuring out what the heck I'm supposed to be doing. And then in the simulator, in any simulator, the quad doesn't drop as fast as it does kind of in real life, if that makes sense. So it's just, okay, I just gotta go for it. If I crash, I guess I crash, you know, that's the worst that can happen. So there's that, and then I gotta come back. Is there a person over there? Thought I heard a dog. Okay, let's just try the... It's kind of like that. So it's side outward, right? Outward. All right, let's do it. Ooh, let's not hit the pole, sorry. That. I feel like that's kind of the motion, but it's still not quite as nice and precise as he did it in the video. Yeah, not nice and precise. One more try, let's see. Maybe, sort of it. All right. Rubiks Cube? Anyone? Okay. Let's do this. You're here to get that. Nope, that's not better. It's a beautiful day. Okay, here it is, real try. Yo, that felt good. All right, let's bring the battery in. Good practice battery. Get those first battery jitters out of the way. And I have to sneeze. I'm pretty sure my nose itches. Bring in her in, bring in her in. Don't slice your leg. Nice. All right, we are back at it. Here we go. This is gonna be the best one yet. Nope, just kidding. This is gonna be the best one. Starting now. I always get so nervous. Mainly because I don't want to hit the ground, or I see these little nets right here. Okay, let me fly low so you can see them. See these nets right here? I don't want to hit them. That would be a bummer. That's not it. All right, bring it around. Like that? Kind of feels right. I saw the video a few days ago, so I feel like that's not totally it, but it's still kind of right. Yeah, maybe. I'm nervous to go the other way because doing things the opposite direction is kind of hard. But I guess we try it. Nope. Yep. Oh, that one started off so good. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this and let's do it better. Ooh, that felt good. I think that was the best one so far. I mean, I have to try it the other direction, right? Woo-hoo. But that looked cool, but it felt terrible. No, that's too sweeping. Oh yes. Oh yes. Well, we did the trick, so that's pretty cool. So now we come over here, do this. Whoa, where are we going? Oh, what's up? Outward side lock rewind, no biggie. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh, that's a car. Heard someone. All right, you know what? Let's just take a lap. Actually, no. Let's bring the quad in. Got 3 minutes. I have no need to be doing all this business. All right, last battery of the day, last battery, best battery, it's what they always say. Let's take a lap. Watch this, all right, so we're gonna take a lap of the soccer field. And bring it around this way. Hopefully we don't hit anyone. If you hear a baby crying, it's fine. You're just waking up, no biggie, and then side lock rewind. Yeah, that one was not clean. What if we did, ooh, I have an idea. This is probably, of the ideas I've had, maybe the worst one. But let's go this way, actually. Actually, no, I don't want to do it. We're just gonna stick to the pole. No need to get fancy. Actually, I lied. Yeah, I don't think it's clean. Let's get another clean one, and then bring her home. Nope, that's not a clean one. Nope, not good. All right, I gotta bring it in early, sorry. Just laid it on top of the car because why not? All right, I'm sorry if the video seems short. It is 17 of 64. This is the outward side lock rewind. Say that 30 times fast. I'm honestly gonna give this one a 2.5 star. I'll tell you, we're gonna draw a lock. Side lock rewind. So there you go, there's another video for you. Hope you have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoy today. See you next week for whatever the wheel decides for the next trick. And as always, I'm Team FPV. Stay soaring.